Hey, how's it going, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to put live stock price in Google Sheets. Alright, so here I have a table that I have a list of tickers. And here in these columns, these are the information that I'm interested in, such as what's the current price of the stock, what's the opening price, today's high, today's low, the volume, market size, earning per share, price earning per share, and so on. So in Google Sheets, there's a function called Google Finance function. And it's probably one of the most powerful function if you work in finance or if you're interested in doing any sort of stock investing. Now let's take a look at the function first. So this Google Finance function has, let's see, so here's the syntax. And we have several parameters. So the first parameter is the ticker, which is a required field, and followed by attributes, start dates, end dates. We can insert the number of days from the start dates and the interval value. And you only use these three parameters only if you want to extract the historical price. But if you want to extract the live price, basically you will be only using these two parameters. So we know what the ticker stands for. So basically a company's ticker symbol. An attribute means what type of information do you want to extract. And here's a list of attributes that we can access. So for example, price is going to be the lifetime price of the stock. And since this is a free service, so occasionally there might be a delay up to 20 minutes. And price open, price open is today's market open price, today's high, today's low. And a couple other things such as the change percentage, the previous day's closing price, and shares represents the number of outstanding shares. And these are the attributes if you want to extract historical data. And Google Finance also supports mutual funds. Unlike regular stocks, these are the information that you can extract. Alright, so these are basically the general information I want to cover when it comes to Google Finance function. Now let's put this function into practice. So let's assume that here I have a table. In column B are a list of tickers that I'm interested in, such as Apple, Tesla, Dropbox, Google, and so on. And on the top, these are the information that I'm interested in. So such as what's the current price, what is today's opening price, today's high, today's low, and so on. And let me change the volume to capital V. So in column C4, I'm going to insert Google Finance function. For the first parameter, I'm going to select my ticker. And since I want to autofill this formula, so I'm going to lock the cell reference for column B. And the second parameter is the attribute name. In row number 2, these are the attribute names. So I'm going to select the cell in C2. And I'm going to lock the row reference by inserting a dollar symbol. Close parenthesis, enter. And that will return $139.07 as the current price for Apple stock. Now I can autofill this formula to the right. And let me maximize the window. And I can autofill this formula all the way to the last row. And noticing that here we have an error message, NA, meaning that no value is available. And to address the error, so here I'm going to insert the if-error function around the Google Finance function. And here we're saying that if this output returns as an error, then what text do you want to display? I want to display a blank value. Here I'm going to insert a pair of double quotations. Now I'm going to autofill the formula again. Now all the errors got replaced with empty string. Now next time if I want to add a new ticker, such as Uber or Lyft, because all these cells already have a formula built into the cells, so we don't have to manually retype the formula again. Alright, so this is everything I want to share in this video, and hopefully you guys found the video useful. And as always, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video.